Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will analyze the face inside images. It will give you more information about what expressions, what emotions are there inside a particular face. If the face is a woman or a man, or it's a emotion, what kind of emotion, it's angry or happy. So it's a facial recognition and analysis Python script I've written right here, and it will show you all these results inside a JSON file. So let me run this Python script and let me give this image 1.jpg. As this is, you can see it's a guy image, and let me just provide this image for example. So if I run this script here, so what it will do, it will run this Python facial recognition system here, which by Deepface, which is a third-party module. So it will analyze this actual image based upon the facial recognition, what sort of features that this image has, and it will now create this JSON file right here, and it will see, it will analyze various information regarding this image such as age, facial confidence, what is the gender, you can see man's 96%, a dominant gender man, so emotion as well, what is the facial expression, angry, sad, everything it will tell you. Dominant emotion, what is the race here, you will see each and everything, you can see it will give you this JSON file. You can analyze any image for example. So the module that I'm talking about is Deepface. Just go to your Python and here just search for this library Deepface. Just wait, let me just open. So this is actually the package here, Deepface. Command is very simple. Simply execute this command to actually install this Deepface. Apart from that, we so now just make a simple app.py file. So I will just show you how to do this. So first of all, we need to import this Deepface module. So from Deepface, we need to import Deepface. This is the actual package for analyzing the facial expressions of an image, and then we initialize this. So Deepface, and it contains this function analyze, and here you provide your image, actual image that you want to provide. Let me provide this angry image, a girl which is angry. So then we also provide, so this will be coming in the image path, so it takes this image path, and inside this you will provide your image. After that, the second argument is the actions that you need to explore. So here you can give parameters on which you want to analyze your image. So I want to find out the age of the person, the gender, and the emotion. Also find out the emotion inside the image, and the race. What is the race of the person? So after that, if I print out this object, it will analyze this image. You will see it will analyze this image and give you the response in the command line. It's very simple module. You provide the actual image, then you provide the actions, and then it will give you the, it will analyze it based upon these various factors, and then it will give you this response here, the JSON response. So what we can do, we can store this response in a JSON file. So for saving this response in a JSON, we can use the open function. So we create this file here. Let me call this as results.json. So it will actually store all the results inside this file, results.json. So let me delete everything and start from scratch. And if I run this Python script now, you will see it will analyze the image, and then on the left hand side it will create that results.json file which will hold the information regarding this image. So just wait for it to complete. So in this way it is saying that the JSON module is not. So let me just paste all the full script here for for making the JSON file, we do need to import the JSON module. So this script I have given guys in the description of this video, so you can actually get the script. The link is given in the description. So it will, you basically pass any sort of image, then it will analyze that image and it will store those observations inside this JSON file. So you will see it will find out age, everything, dominant gender, emotion, every sort of information will be returned in this JSON response. So in this way guys, you can use this Deepface package, facial recognition and analysis framework for images. And please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.